They don't sleep, they don't complain, and they never back down. Engineered to withstand the impossible, these machines push the limits of modern engineering and turn the unimaginable into routine. They are true giants of steel and technology, capable of moving mountains, slicing through oceans, and reshaping the very surface of the earth. From excavators that reach the skies to cranes that lift the weight of entire cities, each one of these machines carries the mark of human brilliance. Today, you're about to witness the titans of industry, machines that look like they belong in science fiction, but are shaping our real world right now. Get ready. What you're about to see isn't just raw power. It's the future of construction, mining, and technology in its most extreme, most awe-inspiring form. It doesn't dig, it devours. A single machine, as long as a city block, as tall as a 30-story building. This is the bucket wheel excavator, the largest land vehicle ever built by humans. Its massive wheel spins slowly, each bucket scooping tons of earth in every turn. Some models can remove up to 240,000 tons of material per day. It doesn't just dig, it cuts, crushes, and transports, all in one unstoppable motion. One rotation, and an entire hill disappears. The Bagger 288, built in Germany, is the most famous of them all. It weighs over 13,000 tons and takes 5 people to operate it simultaneously. It moves very slowly, but once it starts, it changes landscapes forever. It's not just a machine, it's a symbol of human ambition and raw industrial power. To see it in motion is to witness a giant waking up. It moves less than 1 kilometer per hour, but leaves nothing the same behind. Its wheel, over 20 meters in diameter, never stops spinning. Each bucket holds up to 15 cubic meters of soil. That's like shoveling an entire room with one scoop. Dozens of buckets, working in perfect synchronization. A rotating chain of destruction and precision. As it digs, the material travels instantly through kilometers of conveyors. What would take 200 dump trucks, this one machine does alone. It's not just efficient, it's revolutionary. Controlled from a high-tech cockpit, equipped with sensors, cameras, and advanced controls. The operator doesn't steer a machine, he commands a beast. It's an engineering masterpiece, a modern-day colossus, built not to build, but to transform the earth itself. This is the bucket wheel excavator. The bucket wheel excavator is not just a machine. It's a moving ecosystem of steel, gears, and endless rotation. Designed to consume the earth at an industrial scale, it performs with a grace that contradicts its monstrous size. From a distance, it looks like a machine out of a sci-fi film, spinning endlessly, crawling slowly across the surface of the earth. But up close, you hear the clanking, the grinding, the thunder of thousands of tons in motion. It's alive in its own mechanical way. Each one of its buckets can carry more than a truckload of material, and there are dozens of them rotating in perfect harmony. It doesn't stop. It doesn't hesitate. It feeds on rock and soil with unstoppable efficiency. Operating. A machine like this requires a team of experts, engineers, operators, and technicians. But once it's running, it replaces hundreds of smaller machines. It is the definition of dominance through scale. This machine redefines what we think of as big. It can be over 200 meters long and taller than most skyscrapers. And yet it moves, slowly, but with absolute authority. It doesn't ask permission from the landscape. It rewrites it. Its very presence on a mining site signals one thing, that the operation is massive, aggressive, and long-term. You don't bring a bucket wheel excavator for a quick job. You bring it when you're here to stay. Despite its terrifying scale and brute strength, it's also a masterpiece of engineering. Hundreds of interconnected systems work in synchronization, hydraulics, electronics, safety protocols, and real-time data feeds, all to keep this beast under control. Some say it's beautiful, others say it's terrifying, but everyone agrees it's unforgettable. Once you witness it in action, the sound, the movement, the sheer force, you'll never see the Earth the same way again. When the CAT 797F rolls into operation, everything around it suddenly feels small. People, pickup trucks, even other machines. Nothing compares to its scale. It was designed to work where productivity isn't optional. It's essential. In mines where every second counts and every ton moved means millions in profit. Inside the cab, the operator gently commands a machine weighing hundreds of tons. Onboard sensors, automatic braking, and stability systems ensure safety, even under massive pressure. Its braking system is just as powerful as its engine. Because stopping 600 tons in motion takes more than strength. It takes mechanical intelligence. Despite its size, the 797F can reach surprising speeds, up to 60 kilometers per hour when empty. But fully loaded, every turn, every descent is calculated to perfection. The engineering behind the 797F is so advanced, even its maintenance was designed to be fast and efficient, even in the most remote places on Earth. Every component is built to last, from its internal engine parts to its LED headlights. Everything is made to withstand time, weather, and extreme use. These trucks aren't sold at regular dealerships. Each unit is custom ordered, shipped in parts, and assembled directly on site, at the mine. It's a machine built for giants, a modern-day titan that redefines what's possible in heavy-haul transport. When the CAT 797F moves, it's not just the ground that shakes, it's our very concept of scale that's challenged. The CAT 797F is not just a vehicle, it's a landmark on wheels. Each unit costs between $5B to $6 million, and yet mining companies line up to get one. Why? Because this machine pays for itself, with power. Its steel body is reinforced to survive the most brutal environments on Earth, from scorching deserts to freezing mountaintops. One of its most impressive features is its payload-to-weight ratio. It carries almost as much as it weighs. That's unheard of in the world of heavy machinery. Despite its size, the truck is equipped with ergonomic controls, air-conditioned cabs, vibration-reducing seats, and satellite navigation, making it a beast that's surprisingly comfortable to tame. Every movement of the 797F is data-driven. Telemetry systems constantly transmit information about fuel consumption, load weight, terrain conditions, and engine health in real time. It's not just about size, it's about intelligence. The 797F is the brain and muscle of modern mining. When parked next to a standard dump truck, the 797F looks like something from a different planet. Its wheels alone are taller than most adults. The frame is built to last over 2 decades of continuous operation. That means carrying more than 100 million tons of material over its lifetime. It doesn't operate alone. The 797F is part of a synchronized system. Loaders, excavators, crushers, and conveyors, all moving to the rhythm of this mechanical king. It's the beating heart of a mining site. Where it goes, production follows. The Hitachi X8006 doesn't simply move, it dominates the ground beneath it. With a total weight of over 800 tons, this hydraulic beast is among the largest excavators ever engineered. Powered by 2 massive diesel engines, it produces over 3,800 horsepower, enough to move mountains, literally. Its bucket can lift up to 75 tons in a single pass, the same as 15 full-grown elephants in one scoop. Standing over 10 meters tall and stretching more than 24 meters long, the EX8006 looks less like a machine and more like a mobile fortress. Its hydraulic arms move with controlled precision, lifting and placing material with an elegance that contradicts its brutal strength. Inside the cab, operators enjoy a futuristic control center, air-conditioned, insulated, and packed with smart displays, real-time diagnostics, and intuitive controls. The X8006 is designed for the harshest environments. From dusty copper mines in Chile to freezing iron pits in Canada, every system is optimized for performance and longevity, from fuel efficiency to onboard monitoring and predictive maintenance alerts. It's not just a machine, it's the mechanical heartbeat of the mine. Where it goes, production follows. The X8006 doesn't just change the landscape, it redefines what's possible in large-scale excavation. The Hitachi X8006 is a true mechanical giant, built not just for power, but for endurance, in the most unforgiving conditions. Each track link weighs as much as a small car, yet the machine glides across rock and soil like it owns the terrain. It's equipped with advanced hydraulic flow systems, allowing it to move massive loads with smooth, deliberate force. Its onboard technology tracks every movement, torque, pressure, temperature, ensuring optimal performance and operator safety. Maintenance isn't just a task, it's a mission. Specialized teams are needed to service this Titan, often working in shifts around the clock. Even under the harshest weather, heavy rains, dust storms, or snow, the EECS 8006 performs with machine-like consistency, because that's exactly what it was built for. It doesn't just lift Earth, it supports the backbone of global industries: copper, coal, gold, and more. When the EECS 8006 is in motion, entire supply chains depend on its relentless rhythm. Its cabin isn't just for comfort, it's a command center, with real-time diagnostics, ergonomic controls, and safety systems that rival high-tech aircraft. This machine is the product of decades of precision engineering, Japanese craftsmanship fused with industrial ambition. Few machines in the world can inspire awe just by starting their engine. The EECS 8006 does it effortlessly. At full power, the R9800 can move nearly 100 tons of material every minute. That's more than some mines extract in an hour. Each swing of its arm is a calculated movement, engineered for maximum efficiency, minimum delay. The R9800's undercarriage alone is a marvel, supporting the weight of a 12-car train as it crawls over rocks, mud, and gravel. Despite weighing over 800 tons, it's incredibly stable, designed to operate on uneven terrain without compromising balance. Its entire structure is modular, built to be disassembled, shipped across continents, and reassembled in the heart of the world's toughest mines. The R9800 is more than a tool. It's a central hub in the production chain, feeding the largest haul trucks with surgical rhythm. It's trusted by the biggest mining companies on Earth, and for good reason. It delivers performance, durability, and data. Built in Germany, deployed across the globe, the R9800 represents not only size and strength, but precision and perfection. Every bolt, every weld, every hydraulic line is there for one purpose: to keep the flow of excavation continuous and unstoppable. When this machine moves, mountains don't stand a chance. The R9800 doesn't just dig, it rewrites the terrain. Each tooth on its bucket is engineered to cut through rock like butter and do it thousands of times per day. It works side by side with the largest trucks in the world and still makes them look small. Its hydraulic system is so advanced, it delivers smooth, silent, and incredibly precise movements, even while lifting tens of tons. This excavator carries more embedded technology than many commercial aircraft, all controlled with surgical precision by a single operator. Its fuel consumption is optimized by smart systems that automatically adjust power based on load and material type. It can operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in the most extreme temperatures, without compromising performance. Inside the cab, the operator has access to multiple screens, real-time data, and automated alerts, ensuring full control and safety. The Liebherr R9800 isn't sold like a normal machine. It's delivered as a complete operation, with logistics, assembly, support, and training included. Its presence at a mining site is impossible to ignore. Where it works, productivity rises, and the pace of operations transforms. It's the kind of machine that doesn't just shape the land, it reshapes the scale of what's possible in engineering. It's not just built to move Earth, it's built to move history, one colossal scoop at a time.